Okay, question 21, 22 of 2025, Mathematics Paper 1. All right. So the first question is saying, solve the equation. This is the equation. So let me just solve it from here. It's x to the power 3 over 2 is equals to 8. So solving this one, this is very simple. So we need to multiply this one by its reciprocal, which is the same number, but we reciprocate. It would be 2 over 3. Or even this side, we're going to introduce 2 over 3. So that when this one cancel, we just remain with x is equals to 8 to the power 2 over 3. Then here we're going to find x is equals to the cube root of 8 to the power 2. Okay. Then x is equals to the cube root of 8 is 2 to the power 2. Therefore, 2 to the power 2 is 4. So x is what? X is 4. Okay, so you can bring your answer here and write x is equals to 4. Let's now solve this graph. Okay, when you look at the graph here, this parabola, the following, the question reads, the following is a graph of y is equals to this. The graph cuts the x-axis at A is at A and B. Okay, here. So first question is find the coordinates of A and B. All right. This is very simple. To find the coordinates of A and B, we are going to write like this. Copy the here. So we're going to copy the equation. The equation is y is equals to negative x squared plus 12x minus 11. Now, take note that in the x-axis, the value of y is 0. So we're going to say negative x squared plus 12x minus 11 is equals to 0. Okay? Now, we can get rid of this negative so that we can calculate it very well. How? By multiplying throughout by negative. So this will give us positive x squared. This will give us negative 12x. This will give us positive 11 is equals to 0. Okay, so now we can find the product of A and C. A is 1, C is 11. So product is 11. What is the sum? Sum is this B, which is negative 12. All right, negative 12. Where am I getting the A, the B, the what? The format of any quadratic equation is supposed to be ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to what? 0. Okay, so now A is the number in front here, which is just 1. B is the number in front here, which is just negative 12. C is this negative 11. Okay. Oh, it's 11 since we're using this here. Okay. Now, two factors of two numbers, when you multiply them, this will give you 11. And when you add, they should give you this. They should give you, what's this? Positive 12. What are those two numbers? Okay, so we'll notice that we have a 1 and 11 itself. Now, check. Both numbers must be negative. Okay, must be negative. Because negative 1 times negative 11 is positive 11. Negative 1 plus 11, negative 11 is negative 12. So these are the factors. So we can factorize by grouping. We can say x squared minus negative 1x, which is just negative x, minus 11x plus 11 is equals to 0. We've split this one, negative 12. Now we can factorize by grouping. So what's common here between the first two terms is x. So x into x squared is just x. X into negative x is just 1, negative 1. Here what's common here is negative 11. Negative 11 into negative 11 just remain with x. Negative positive is negative. Negative 11 into 11 is 1 is equals to 0. What's inside here is just the same, meaning what you are doing is the correct thing. So we can say x minus 1, then this is what is common, x minus 1. Then you can write x, this x here, minus 11 is equals to 0. Solving for x, you can say x minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, or we can also say x minus 11 is equals to 0. So let's solve for x. X is equals to 1, then here x is equals to positive 11. So you check on your graph which one should be 1 and which one should be 11. This must be 1, this one 11. Okay, so the coordinates, you can say therefore a, the value of x here is 1, the value of y is 0. Then b, the value of x is 11, the value of y is 0. So you can bring your answers here and write 1, 0, 11, 0. Simple as this. Okay. Then maximum value. So to find the mean maximum value, we are going to use the formula y is equals to 4ac minus b squared over 4a. Right. So here we're going to use the original equation. Our original equation is y is equals to negative x squared plus 12x minus 11. So the value of a is negative 1, the value of b is 12, the value of c is negative 11. Okay, then we substitute. So y is equals to 4 multiplied by a is negative 1, c is negative 11 or minus, then this is what? This is b, which is 12. Okay, so 12 squared over 4 multiplied by a which is negative 1. Okay, then this is what you do. Y is equals to 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 11 is positive 44. Minus 12 squared is 144 over 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. 44 minus 144 is negative 100 over negative 4. Negative divided by negative is positive. So 4 into 100 is 25. You see, this is 25. So y is 20. Y is 25. So you check, you look at this, look at the question. So this is the maximum, and this y, the value of y this side is positive. Okay, so this is our answer. Our answer is correct. Right.